Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we sell our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal will submit a second bid of £30 million for Lisandro Martinez, will be Ajax central defender. The guy that plays centre back for Ajax. The guy is 24 years old. Don't forget, say Arsenal been offered them £25 million as the first offer. Where Ajax reject them, say they enough. So Arsenal don't come with an improved bid of £30 million to give the guy. The guy is a left-sided centre back. Arsenal won't use them pair like Gabriel Magalhaes when they play in case Magalhaes get issue and they go play him. Then Saliba is coming in, I believe, to pair maybe Ben White. Then at the same time, this Lisandro Martinez is very versatile. He can play centre back, he can play left back, he can play central midfield, he can play left side of midfield. So I think that the reason say is going to be a cover for either a Nketiah or a Gabriel Magalhaes in case of any necessity. Maybe somebody get injury or suspension or COVID virus. So any which way, the guy go there for bench because we get plenty center defenders. So that's why many people talk say, wow, we still signing him. He's playing a center defensive role in Ajax. But these are other reasons why Arteta they look the guy, because of his versatility. It is very important and it makes sense because now part of the things that affect us last season, we didn't have enough cover, we didn't have enough squad depth. But now we don't get enough squad depth. I'm very happy and proud of Arteta. Made them make this deal happen because Tottenham Hotspur is also looking forward for this deal. Then everyone sign the guy. You know, they say Arsenal and they find the guy, and the guy said they very interested in joining Arsenal. That's another major plus for us. So more they watch because many people they talk say Arsenal gets up to £215 million budget to sign many players for this summer transfer window. I just they hear that from different sources to get. I just they praise it true because they talk say Arsenal is going to surpass their summer transfer spending compared to the one where they spent before. Hope say all these things are true because we at that they line up in targets and they go after them one by one or more. Things are happening in the Emirates. On my way from that, Arsenal announced the signing of Nketiah. Nketiah don't sign a new contract. Baba will get the number 14 shirt, but some kind of controversial issues can't happen yesterday on social media after Arsenal announced him. Some fans called the para say, why Nketiah going to wear the iconic number 14 shirt? How many goals in the score? Is he our legend? Why are you going to wear that kind of shirt? Because that shirt, 9 people like Theo Walcott don't wear for Arsenal. Theo Walcott scored 100 goals for Arsenal when he spent in time here. Aubameyang also wore that shirt. Aubameyang scored 92 goals for in time for Arsenal. Now they are carrying that iconic shirt to give an Nketiah. People call the para. He's not worthy enough to wear that shirt. This and that. Yeah, right. One comments upon the para. Say it is just a number. What is the one nana? If you know you don't have anything good to say apart from negative things, keep quiet. Now what if I don't want to use the exact word with yeah, right, use because about the para. Use one kind word we are not use for live TV. So about to say, make you just keep quiet, no get anything to talk. Even Gabriel Magalhaes say come and say I want to defend in case I want to say, man, you are so ungrateful. Oh my God, like this guy scored 5 goals in our last 8 matches last season. We just passed, and we know how instrumental he was in our finishing 5th. And I get the audacity, get the temerity to come outside there and be saying, man. Yeah, Gabriel Magalhaes was very pissed. So that's just fans will always be fans. You see so many negative words, but if I read comments, get some words I will see. And we just like say, make I delete this person comment. I mean, make I just ban them from our community. I mean, make I just sometimes I will just ignore, just say okay, man, just free the person you get because so many people don't know how to talk. So many people come outside and say Arsenal is the most useless club in the world. And you are an Arsenal fan. I saw that comment that I was like, so why don't you stop supporting them? Like they force you. How can you come outside, open your 32 teeth and say Arsenal is the most useless club? This if you like say high time when it comes to all this kind of people, I will just debunk that because I did feel say some Manchester United fans and some Chelsea fans, they don't infiltrate our community, like they're trying to put some seeds of discord. They try to make us maybe argue negative things, we just can drop some kind time bomb, you know. Now what thing I did think, maybe if I see all those kind of comments, I will just ban the person because I think that person is not a true Arsenal fan. If I see all those kind of comments, I will tag me to those comments because I know if they monitor all the whole comments with the YouTube, with the Facebook, now plenty. So just they tag me, I beg. Almost said the man they don't dey set for Bayern Munich medical, so they don't agree a deal between Liverpool and Bayern Munich since Liverpool don't sign Darwin Núñez. So Sadio Mane is more likely to join Bayern Munich. Why me are they happy, or why this news is significant to us, is because once all these moves happen, all eyes will now be on Serge Gnabry. What happens next? Because is Serge Gnabry going to be playing, or is Mane going to be playing? They don't go come sign man, they don't come play for Benjamin. So what's going to happen next? Is Gnabry moving? Transfer window still long. Many things can happen. I just pray it's moving so that Arsenal will fit put their leg into the race. We'll see whether I ain't go honor the call of duty, the call of loyalty, whether I ain't go come join us back. Even the Athletic self, they suggest say Granit Xhaka needs to be sold for Arsenal to accommodate Yuri Tillemans. So now waiting they hold the deal. Say maybe Arsenal won't sell the guy. And don't forget, say Roma never hide their interest. Then they interested in signing Granit Xhaka again. So maybe now waiting Arteta they wait for. We don't really know. Like the speculation we just go around town. Say Arsenal won't flush out Granit Xhaka before they will bring in Yuri Tillemans. Whether that's true, whether not be true. Even some other people they come up the perspective say since Arsenal don't sign Fabio Vieira, they don't go need Yuri Tillemans again. Yuri Tillemans may sign a 1-year extension. Yeah. They hear many stories from different people. Well, that time will tell. With time we'll get some clarity on this subject matter. Hector Bellerin said now come as I can let Arsenal know say in go forfeit in final year salary will be about £5.7 million so that Real Betis go fit sign am. Arsenal require about 8.6 or 8.7 million pounds from Real Betis to collect Bellerin. Real Betis they no get money, I beg. So make Arsenal quick release the guy, make it be free agent. But Bellerin now they very desperate to leave and join them. So Babaka they talk say okay, in they ready to forfeit some in salary, may help Real Betis. So I never know whether Arsenal will listen to that kind of arrangement. Whether Betis said go they interested, more they watch as all these things they go. Anywhere they go, I will let you know. Granit Xhaka booking for the match against Leeds last season. They don't investigate them for fraud. The National Crime Agency for betting scandals, and then they investigate them for that match. For the last 10 minutes, Granit Xhaka won't play free kick. He can't waste time. Referee can't give a card. You get now for those who they play sport bet, somebody or some group of people can't bet say Granit Xhaka will collect card for the last 10 minutes. They bet £52,000. They can win £250,000 each. So that's going to trigger the betting bot say something happened here, because for Granit Xhaka to willingly come they waste time for that last 10 minutes. Can it be a coincidence? So you know, be say he fouled somebody or anything, like intentionally he wanted to get that card, whether in arranged with somebody outside. There is no evidence to prove that, because it's very hard to prove. But the situation just did very dicey, and it just, if like you said, look at person did last 10 minutes, they waste time, referee give a card. Meanwhile, some group of people don't bet in the last 10 minutes that person must collect card. They can't use and win big money. You don't go suspect them. So that is why then they investigate that into. They never call Xhaka for questioning, they never call Arsenal for questioning, they never give them subpoena or anything, but it is still under investigation. At the end of the investigation, I will let you know the findings. The Athletics don't come outside, they let us know say Man City, now them be favourite to sign Cucurella of Brighton. Cucurella na left back. Man City really need them because they get Cancelo already and they get Zinchenko, but Zinchenko won't leave because everybody wants to play World Cup, and Zinchenko know they get playing time in a season. You know they play more than 20 times for Man City in all competition. We don't make sense again. So the guy won't join Arsenal. Arsenal don't reason I'm in projects. The guy won't join us, and he's not joining us as a left back. He's joining us as a midfielder, because our midfield ain't like to play. They play midfield for Ukraine. They play left back for Man City. So Man City now won't get Cucurella. So if they don't get their Cucurella, maybe Cucurella will become a deputy for Joe Cancelo, or Cancelo will be deputy for Cucurella. I don't know how their own setup will be. All I'm interested in is if they don't sign that one, then Zinchenko will be allowed to leave and join Arsenal and join a fellow compadre wey be Gabriel Jesus. You get? So now waiting Arteta the plan. So we could watch that deal, because Chelsea said they very interested in that Cucurella. They won't sign her. Well, I never know how all these things they go. Anyway they go. I did to let you know. Go Brazil. Don't come outside and let us know. Say Gabriel Jesus don't personally contact Pep Guardiola. They beg and say, but let me join Arsenal now. Nothing that they do for you for year. You don't get Julian Alvarez, don't get Erling Haaland. He said I need game time now. I want to play for Brazil for World Cup now. I need you to start week in week out to get. I beg let me join Arsenal. I don't accept personal terms. I want to join them. Make you not be saying that because of money. You get £30 million. Okay now. 1 year left for me. So enjoy they follow the guy they discuss. We never know the outcome, but I know say Arsenal they confident say then will still get this Gabriel Jesus, because they have had their first opening bid of £30 million they rejected. So then they prepare a revised offer. And not too long ago, our monitors they call the Times reported that Arsenal is going to submit a 50 million euros bid. 50 million euros is approximately like 30 million pounds now. I don't know why people they complain say CHUKS. Last time ago you said Arsenal submitted 50 million pounds. I did not say 50 million pounds. The video is still on our page. You see the thumbnail. You go see I even put this currency. You go see my euros there. When I see the comments, some people they say CHUKS you say 50 million pounds. How come like 30 million pounds now? What I said was 50 million euros, not 50 million pounds. The video still there on our page. You see the thumbnail. I guys go back, go confirm, say I do mistake. I guys go back, I can't see the thumbnail. See 15 million euros, the currency there. Why me now? I know what I talk that time. So we're still on point. Our Paul Merson himself don't come outside, come talk, say make Arsenal go Southampton, go collect James Ward-Prowse. This guy is a senior man in the midfield. If you're number 10, he will give you number 10 vibes. Free kick in there, corner in there, anything, indirect and direct, anywhere, shot in there, pass in there, any which way you want, he will give you. To make Arsenal go sign this guy. But I don't know whether I go fit it possible again because Arsenal already signed Fabio Vieira. I know say Fabio Vieira and Odegaard, and then go to run things for that midfield. You get? Then if he add in, they'll sprinkle in Emil Smith-Rowe, make on day with them. You get? So I don't know how they want to do it because putting Emil Smith-Rowe on the flank with the Martinelli is not a good move at all. It doesn't have pace. It's not built to be a winger. You get? So we need somebody else to handle that place. Deal with Martinelli. That's the best thing to do. Because from what some people they talk say Saka and McQueen trying to go there for that right side. Me I look back to that vibe. I need somebody like professional, senior man. Maybe we'll say bring in Cody Gakpo to go stay with Martinelli for that left side. I never know how Arteta wants set up. Me, I just did very patient. I don't go criticize Arteta or say anything. I'll wait until September 1. September 1, everything will only clearer. You get now, we never still get things in clearer perspective. September 1, we can see all the pieces of the puzzle, all the people Arteta don't sign. By then, window will not close, we don't see everything as it be. Then we'll come analyze how our transfer window go. So whether Arteta try, I be no try. Then we'll confidently see the bigger picture, know how our season will be with the size of our squad. That's what it will be. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy your Sunday and get out.